Hi you guys! Today we are going to make cookies. So first thing, we have to put our hair up. Next we have to wash our hands. Check that you have all of the ingredients. We need flour, baking soda, salt, butter, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, 2 eggs, and chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Measure the dry ingredients in a measuring cup and level off so you get an exact amount. 2 cups and 1/4 cup of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it together. Stir. We need 1 cup of butter. Each stick is a 1/2 cup. So we need 2 sticks of butter. 3/4 cup of sugar. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Pat it down like this. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can mix it with an electric mixer or with a hand mixer or with a spoon. When it's creamed together, add 2 eggs. Now beat the eggs into the mixture. Add a little of flour at a time. Keep mixing until you get a cookie dough. When it's ready, add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now we're ready to make the cookies. Take a spoonful of dough and place it on the cookie sheet. Wear oven mitts so you don't burn yourself. And put the cookies in the oven. Set the timer for 9 minutes. When the cookies are done, take them out. Then put them on a cooling rack to cool down. When they're all cool, share them with your friends and family.
Thank you, Mommy.
I hope you enjoyed our chocolate chip cookie recipe. Bye.